It doesn't matter to me who's lying. I'm gonna, ma'am. What you do? Boy, you didn't do a very good job on this, ma'am. You can't be doing this. Your name?
Leslie Beausejour.
Your name?
Cynthia Hernandez.
Did you buy a car from her?
Yes.
Did you
It's
stop
paid
making?
for. I
Hang
have the
on,
title.
hang on. Did you stop making the payments?
No, the car is paid for in full.
Is that true? Did she pay for it in full?
No, Your Honor. In the contract, it states,
Do you have a security agreement? I didn't sign did I sign I was concerned about this. You didn't have a security agreement, did you?
no, like my name was supposed to be on the title.
You guys, you try to be your own lawyers. It'd be like me. I don't care if she was your friend, not your friend. You guys you can't do things like this. This was a recipe for a disaster. Your name's supposed to be on the title of somebody else. When they're driving, you don't know if it's insured. They get in an accident, you get sued. You probably aren't going to have insurance on it. They're going to be coming after you. Ms. Hernandez,
Yes.
did she pay the payments?
No.
Good. Then
This was the last payment to be made on March 1st.
well, what if she paid in advance? Did she pay in advance?
Two $500 payments.
Did you pay more than two $500 payments, Ms. Hernandez? Don't lie to me, because I'm going to get to the bottom of this. Listen to
Yes,
me very
I
quickly.
paid two on the day at the Secretary of
I
State.
didn't ask you that. Hang on a second. I want to be clear.
Okay.
I don't want anybody lying to me. And I'm going to find out who's lying. If she's saying it's not paid and you're saying it is paid, one of you are lying to me. So if you want to come up here with all your documentation and I'll try to resolve this for you guys right now, that would be fantastic.
On September 12th.
Hang on. I didn't say that. I didn't say anything here. Why don't you get dressed and come on up here? You live on Riverside, right?
Yes.
It's only a 6-8 minute drive at best. Bring all your documentation that tells me that you've paid for the car. How much do you think is owed?
$2,000
How did she pay on the first two payments?
cash.
Nice.
Right.
Really good.
We were
Really?
together. She was living in my house.
Really, really, really good.
Yeah.
Did you give her a receipt?
Well, I wrote
Did you
it
give her a receipt?
I wrote it in this book.
Did you give her a receipt?
No, Your
You
Honor.
guys, you know what? I mean, bring all your documentation up here right now, Ms. Hernandez. So you guys, she was supposed to put your name, keep your name on the title, huh? Did you sign did you sign the title over?
I didn't.
Why did you sign the title over before it'd be like you tell me you're gonna buy my house and I sign, hang on, well, then you should have talked to a lawyer. That's what they do.
Right.
That's what they do. I never sold it before. Come on up here, Ms. Hernandez. We're resolving this morning. Get yourself dressed. She's going to wait and you come on up here. How long will it take you?
Say, I don't know, 40 minutes.
I'll see you about 10 o'clock. Don't hurry. Don't rush. I don't want you getting in an accident.
Right,
Take
right.
your time.
Okay.
I hope you're never going to do something like this again.
Absolutely not.
Oh,
It's unfortunate.
this pains me to see this. It really does. I know it's only $2,000, but $2,000 is a lot of money. Bring all your documentation that shows me she paid you. You paid her. If you took cash out, you can go to the bank.
I had
Wait.
cash. I don't.
Wait, ma'am, Ms. Hernandez, I'm going to find out who's lying to me. It doesn't matter to me who's lying. I'm going to, ma'am.
With that too.
Ma'am, I'm going to find out who's lying. You guys just make this hard when you do this, like with a handshake.
My mistake.
You didn't make a mistake. You don't have to apologize to me. You might be out it's your burden of proof here. But I can tell somebody's lying, and I'm going to tell you who it is when we get here. Bring all your documentation, Ms. Hernandez, okay? That tells me that you paid this. Guys, I mean, You say you have a security, you filed a pleading saying you have a security agreement. Do you know what a security agreement is?
I was going by what
The bank,
lawyer told me to write down the,
don't tell me what the lawyer told you. That's between you two. If I went to a bank or I went to a dealership and bought a car, that's when I will execute a security agreement. I doubt that you had her execute a security agreement.
no.
Why'd you allege it in the complaint? Shh. Give me all your documentation. Did you ever sign a note at least?
We had this agreement that I gave you a copy, you should have a copy of our, contract.
Okay.
And she resigned for the 2 payments that she did give me.
She signed?
She signed, yeah. The 2 payments, one on,
Oh, man, that's kind of telling, Ms. Hernandez.
and it says in the
You
contract,
guys come up here. Come on, get dressed. Come on up here. But I'm telling you, on the first 2 payments, you guys both initialed the $500 payment. And then you just added 2,000 paid on September 25th that you wrote on the back of this, right?
That was the notes I kept from the day that we put the car in my name, the day that the Secretary of State that I gave her money. That's when the title that I had went into my name. She kept notes, I kept notes.
oh, I wrote a contract. Can I speak, Your Honor?
No. I want to know if that's your story and you're sticking to it because you're under oath. This is going to be easier than I thought. Are you telling me you paid her $2,000 on September the 25th?
Yes,
How'd you pay the did she pay you 2,000 on September
No,
25th?
Your Honor, absolutely not. She didn't have the money, she had to bail herself out of jail. That's why I offered her my college.
Come on. Come up in front of my report. Show her that document. You ever see that page?
No,
I neither. Mr. Hernandez, who do you think that you are coming in here and trying to
what?
put that back? Give me that back, please.
Boston.
Who do you think you are coming in here with notes on the back of that document?
That is horrible.
Expecting me to buy this. And now you come in here defiantly and no, I don't want to talk. I don't care if you talk. You owe her $2,000 at minimum. Okay? How are we going to resolve this?
I can talk.
I'm sorry?
I can talk. You said I don't want to talk, I just want to be asked, if you asked me a question, I will definitely answer it.
You didn't pay. You didn't pay.
On September 25th at the Secretary of State. And here,
September 30th is when you guys executed this other document. You signed it October 2.
that was when I gave her $500 on October 2nd.
Ma'am,
2 payments.
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I don't believe a word you're telling me. I don't believe a word you're telling me. There's nothing here that would add up to you paying $2,000. So if you want to act like I can't add 2 and 3 without a calculator, just you continue doing that. You're late, Mr. Robertson.
Everything was cash, Your Honor.
I wouldn't expect you to, ma'am. You're in a courtroom. Okay? I don't want to hear another lie. You're in a courtroom. There's nothing here that adds up to you paying that $2,000 in cash. This was dated October 2 by you. This first page. Is this your signature?
Title is dated 25th of September.
Ms. Bosajur, can you come up here? You come up here too. Whose signature is this?
My signature.
Okay. Why would you sign something October 2 saying that you agree to pay $500 per month beginning October 1 with the last payment due on March 1? That would be 6 payments at 500. 6 times 5 is 300. Now you come in with this cockamamie document on the back that you hand wrote and says you paid $2,000 on September 25.
That was the second document that was made up. There's copies.
Well, you're behind. It's 82-0. There's 2 outs, 2 strikes, and nobody on. Don't lie to me another second. I'm gonna really get agitated here. I told you not to lie to me when you came in here. I told you not to lie to me the other day. I sensed that you were gonna come in here and lie to me. I kept an open mind, and here it is in black and white. There's no judge in the country that's going to be convinced that you paid $2,000 on September the 25. Ma'am, you just decided to fabricate a document here. That's all you did. Ma'am, talk to some other judge, some other place. You're going to figure out right now how you're going to pay her $2,000. You guys, though, Ms. Bozajor, I don't know what to tell you. You just can't do this and trust people. Were you guys friends? Were you friends?
I dated her brother in high school and we were Facebook friends. And she contacted me via Messenger on a social media ad. And I should have never answered the phone. I really should have. I did all kinds of stuff for her.
You're going to go figure out where you're getting it. Hang on. You're going to go figure out where you're going to get the $2,000 today. Then everybody will be happy. So sit in the back, figure out how you're coming up with $2,000 today.
I have $2,000.
Well, you had enough gumption to come in here and lie to me.
I'm not lying.
You're lying to me, ma'am. I see the title.
That's what?
You're lying to me. There's no way. You signed a document, the one I just showed you. It said that you were going to pay $500 payments starting October 1. And you made a payment on October the 2nd that you both initialed, saying you paid $500. Then you paid another $500 on November 5. Then it's blank. If you'd have paid on October 2 and November 5, the car would have been paid off. There's no indication her initialing anything. This is what happens when things are done in cash. Ma'am, I'm making my ruling. And I'm telling you, I don't know what I'm going to do right now going forward. You're not going to come into this courtroom and lie. Well, you just under oath. That's perjury. Perjury. It's one of the easiest calls I've had in the last 17 years. Maybe 31 and a half. You figure out who you're going to call to come and get the money to pay this late. Right now. And then we're going to go from there. I'm going on to another case. Now, I could make you transfer the title over to her because you violated the terms of this purported security agreement. But I don't think that's fair with her. To her. You're going to figure out how you're coming up with $2,000, but you're not going to come in here and lie to me. Jeremy, Kristen, have a seat, you two. Recalling Leslie Bozajor versus Cynthia Hernandez, 2504922. Your name again?
Possibly both of you.
I'm not sure what I want to do. What, do you want the car back?
Sure. We can resell it. Even if it's damaged.
Who does she think she is leaving like that?
She's not somebody I thought I don't know who she is, Your Honor.
You gotta be careful in the future.
She knew my husband had just passed away and I was living alone and vulnerable. And I think she just took advantage of my,
I don't know what, Jennifer,
Yes, Judge.
do me a favor, call Ms. Hernandez, tell her I expect her to be back up here in 10 minutes. Leave her a message. If
I can
not,
see if there was a phone number provided by plaintiff.
I'm just not sure what you want to do. You made a lot of mistakes here. You signed the title over when you didn't have the money. You didn't list yourself on the title as a secured party. You took cash. You didn't take it. I mean,
I came to your civil department to find out what I should do.
well, they can't give you
No,
advice.
they gave me a number to a lawyer and that's who I spoke to.
Well, I don't want to know what your lawyer told you. And I don't want to know what you told
But
your
that's how
lawyer.
I filled out the papers.
Well, it's fine. When I looked at this, you do have, in essence, have a security agreement. But this is unique because like if you went to a dealership and you got a loan, the bank's name is going to be on there as a secured party. Your name is not on the title as a secured party. Do you know if she works?
No, she's on disability, I believe. She gets 1,000 a month plus food stamps, and that's why she's living at the towers because it's rent